Okay, I have a styrofoam cup of water. It's sitting on a pan balance. I've determined that the mass of the water is 158 grams. The water in the cup is 159. The cup itself is about a gram. Now, I've got some snow here, unmelted snow, and I'm going to pour some of this snow into the cup. Now notice that the temperature is 18.4 Celsius right now. Now once I pour this snow in, kind of dirty snow, but those impurities aren't going to cause us any serious problems with this experiment. I'm going to pour this snow in and stir it around until it's hopefully all melted. And we'll see what temperature the water comes to as we melt all that snow. Now it might be that I put too much snow in there because the snow isn't all melting, but it looks like just about all the snow is melting, and it looks like the temperature of the water is coming down to something very close to freezing point of water, which of course is where the snow was. Now we'll see how accurate this thermometer is in a minute. But it looks like we had just about enough snow to bring the temperature of the whole system down to 0 degrees Celsius. Now that snow, of course, was in the form of ice. And it was nice and dry, but we checked its temperature before we put it into the system and determined that the temperature was very close to 0 degrees Celsius. And all but just a fraction of a gram of that snow has melted. And the temperature of the system is very close to 0 degrees Celsius. It's reading 0.1 degrees Celsius. Now we want to determine what the mass of the system is now. Remember, we had 159 grams, including a gram for the cup. So we're going to add some mass over here. Let's see if we went over 200 grams. No, I don't think so. Yeah, actually we did go a little over 200. Okay, it looks like we're at about 204 grams. Now the question is, if water gains or loses 4.19 joules of energy every time its temperature changes by 1 degree Celsius, then how much energy did the original 158 grams of water in the container lose as it interacted with the melting snow? And also, what was the mass of the snow? The mass of the system is now 204.5 grams. That means 203.5 grams plus the cup. So how much thermal energy was gained by the snow, and how much thermal energy per gram was gained by that snow?